What if running every day could transform your body and mind? While the benefits are undeniable, it's essential to know the potential risks and how to run the smart way. Stick with me to discover everything you need to know about running daily for a healthier life. Running every day is an excellent way to boost your overall health, but like anything, it's important to approach it with the right mindset and precautions. The benefits of running daily are numerous. First, it significantly improves cardiovascular health. Your heart and lungs become stronger as you build endurance, lowering your risk of heart disease and improving your overall stamina. Consistent running enhances circulation, which means your muscles and organs receive better oxygen delivery. Not only does this increase your energy levels, but it also boosts your metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently even when at rest. Alongside these cardiovascular benefits, running is an excellent way to manage weight. It's a calorie-torching exercise that helps burn fat, particularly in areas like your belly and thighs, and tones the legs and core. Regular running also strengthens your bones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis, as it's a weight-bearing exercise. As you run, your bones adapt by becoming denser and stronger. In addition to the physical benefits, running has a profound effect on your mental health. It's known to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, thanks to the release of endorphins that trigger feelings of happiness. Many runners experience what's often called the runner's high, an uplifting sense of euphoria that can last for hours after the run is over. This mood boost helps counteract feelings of negativity and boosts your overall mental well-being. Running also clears the mind, improves focus, and can even enhance your cognitive abilities. Regular runners often report better sleep quality, as running helps regulate the body's circadian rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. However, as beneficial as running every day can be, it's essential to be aware of the potential risks that come with it. Running without proper form, insufficient recovery, or overuse can lead to injuries. Overtraining can cause joint pain, shin splints, stress fractures, and muscle strains, especially if you're running on hard surfaces or pushing yourself too hard without rest. To minimize these risks, it's important to incorporate proper warm-ups and cool-downs into your routine and to listen to your body. If you feel any pain or discomfort, it's crucial to take a break and allow your body to recover before pushing yourself again. Another important factor to consider is wearing the right footwear. Proper running shoes that offer adequate support and cushioning are essential to preventing injuries like plantar fasciitis or Achilles tendinitis. Running on uneven or hard surfaces can also increase the risk of injury, so it's important to mix up your routes and choose softer terrain, such as grass or trails, when possible. One of the best practices for running every day is to gradually increase your mileage. Start with shorter distances or time frames and allow your body to adapt before increasing the intensity. If you suddenly increase your running time or frequency, you might risk overuse injuries. It's also a good idea to include cross-training activities in your routine to reduce the strain on your muscles and joints while still improving overall fitness. Low-impact activities such as swimming, cycling, or strength training can help strengthen muscles and enhance your endurance without putting as much pressure on your body. Recovery is just as crucial as the running itself. Incorporating rest days into your schedule, whether it's complete rest or lighter, active recovery days, will allow your muscles to repair and rebuild, preventing fatigue and injuries. Stretching and foam rolling are also effective ways to help your body recover by reducing tightness and improving flexibility. Nutrition plays a huge role in how well your body performs and recovers, so make sure you fuel your runs with a balanced diet that includes a mix of carbs, protein, and healthy fats. Hydration is another critical factor. Running daily causes you to lose fluids through sweat, so staying hydrated is vital to prevent cramps and fatigue. While running every day offers amazing benefits for your body and mind, it's important to balance it with proper training, rest, and injury prevention practices. By understanding the risks, implementing best practices, and listening to your body, you can safely enjoy the many rewards of running daily. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced runner, this approach will help you achieve your fitness goals while protecting your health in the long run.